Following the instructions of the Election Commission of India, repolling at 11 polling stations for the inner Manipur parliamentary constituency was conducted peacefully today. Repolling was held under 5 assembly constituencies of Kurai, Khetrigao, Thongju, Uripok and Kontaujam at Moirangkampu, Sajep Upper Primary School, S. Ibobi Primary School East Wing, Kurai Thongam Laikai, Khongman Zone 5A, the National Children's School Thongju, Iroishemba Upper Primary School Eastern Wing, Iroishemba Upper Primary School Western Wing, and Iroishemba Upper Primary School Middle Wing. Bamon Kampu Upper Primary School Pioneer Academy, Bamon Kampu Irilbung High School North Wing, Irilbung High School South Wing, and Kaide Makalakai. During today's repoll at the specified 11 polling stations, which began from 7 a.m. till 5 p.m. today, no report of violence or unwanted incidents have been reported. According to the latest report, as of 3 p.m., 73% of the electorate has already exercised their voting rights.